Different tech post in the video. This time we've got the Konftel Ego speaker, which you can see here. Nice brown packaging, which is what we used it from Konftel. Check out their webcam we recently done, which is pretty cool. So in the box you're going to get this here. It's a nice kind of heart-shaped package with the Konftel branding on this pouch here. You also get your cable, which is micro USB to USB-A. You get this user guide here. So it's got Omni sound and your use cases. So you can use it for your conference on your laptop, or whatever the case may be, or Bluetooth conference device. So that's how it's going to work there, and all the settings around that. But we're going to go through that, and this is just some warranty information here. Your cable, USB-A to USB, micro USB. So let's have a look at this itself. So it's nice to see you got a pouch anyway. And out you come. There we go. So inside you have got the zipper is stuck. A pouch inside to carry your cable. So this is what it looks like here. Pretty cool looking speaker if you ask me. So on the back here you have got a power button, your headphones, and you've got your charging port here. So I'm just going to turn it on. Look at that, that's cool. So that's pretty much it there. So you have all your toggles here. You've got some lights on the side, which is excellent. And you've got rubber footing on the bottom as well, which is really, really nice. And of course you've got your NFC logo top, branding there and so on, and everything else here. So you've got these lights on the side, which are really cool as well. And that's it. So we're going to test it out, come back and show you what it's like and how it works after the break, so stay tuned for that.